So it's September 2017, and this year this Asian pear tree has given me lots of fruits, as you can see here. And it did take off very high there. I did trim it down last year. It came up very tall there, and I have a lot of fruits here. You can see too much for this very tiny tree here. Even small like this, it still produces quite a lot of fruits. And then here you can see all the fruits that I have here, and right now they're not quite ready yet. You see, they're about maybe a little bit of baseball size, but they do get pretty big, so not quite ready yet. Hopefully by the fall. And I did kind of take down some of it because it was too heavy for this branch here. It's too much weight on it for this plant to hold, so I thinned it down a little bit, and I attached the pole here so this branch here will hold the weight. And then up here we have the other one, the other varieties. And you can see I did thin it down too. There's too much of it. And then we have this one here, which bears a lot of fruits there. See, I got about 4 of them in a clump here, and quite a few here. So this is the peach tree, and as you can see, it's grown quite tall, has a lot of leaf. Each fall I prune it down, and I try to prune it so they become a V shape. And you see it's pretty tall there, a lot of leaf, and even the trunk on it I can grab my hand around it, so that's pretty thick already, but no fruit yet. So also this year I'm actually growing a fig tree, and I ordered this online, and it was pretty small, and I planted it here. It hasn't died yet, so it's still alive here, and hopefully it will grow till next year. So this is my raspberry bush, and you can see it has taken over, and it grew, I'm thinking, about 6 feet tall right now. And this thing just grows wild and it spreads everywhere. But the bad thing about it is that they only fruit every other year, so this year it's not going to fruit, but the next year it's supposed to fruit. So all this will be fruit next year. And each year the rabbits always come in, and they always eat all the raspberry cane, and so I never get any of them growing that year. So I decided to fence the whole thing up, so hopefully by next year I can get some raspberry. So these are they have thorns in there, so a little bit spiky, and they grow pretty wild, as you can see, all the way here. So yeah, I'm just under the pine tree here, and there's nothing special I do to it. Each year during the fall I collect the leaves, and I just spread it around the roots, and that helps fertilize them. This is why they grow so tall. I don't use any chemicals or anything else, and that's all I do, and they just really take off.